Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for quality assurance tracking. First off, it's crucial to set up your project in UPBASE. To do this, simply go to the New Project option under the Projects tab and fill in the details. This helps us because it organizes all associated tasks under one umbrella, making it easier to track progress. Now that we've done that, let's add some tasks. Click on your project, then select Add Task. Input the task description and assign it to a team member. The reason we do this is to ensure every task is accounted for and assigned to the right person for optimal efficiency. Next up, we need to set up the tracking feature. Go to the Track tab in your project and enable tracking for each task. This helps us because it allows us to monitor the status of each task in real time, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Remember, UPBASE also has a handy feature to generate reports. Just click on Reports in the menu, select your project, and choose the type of report you want. Let me explain why this matters. These reports will give you an overview of the project's progress, helping to identify any bottlenecks or issues that need to be addressed. Now that you're all set up, make sure to regularly update and review your project's progress. Regularly checking in on your project ensures that you're always on top of any potential issues. That's it. You're now ready to use UPBASE for quality assurance tracking. Remember, the key is consistency in tracking and reviewing. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.